inside these sections. And within a few minutes, your online store will be ready to launch. So first, I will select this image here. Then on the right side, you'll see this image source option. When you click on it, you'll see all the images of your store. These are my own store products that I added recently to my store. So I will simply select this sneaker image for this section. Next, I will select this title here, and then I will make changes to it from the right settings. For example, I can change the text from here. I can also change the entire font colors, or I can even select some part of it and then change its color. Next, I will make some changes in the subtitles here. Then I will also change this button text. You'll find a lot of editing options here, so feel free to play around with these options. All these sections are fully editable. You can change these logos just like I changed the first image. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see these icons here. Just like I changed the first image, I can change all these icons too. You only need to visit this website called Flaticon, and you'll find thousands of icons that you can use on your store. Simply search for the icon you are looking for, and then you'll see hundreds of different options to choose from. Simply choose the icon that fits with your needs, and then click on this PNG button to download it. Next, I will come back to the Replo editor and upload the icon here. And just like this, I can add as many icons as I want to. Now, let's say that you want to delete some sections from this page. To do that, right-click on the section that you want to delete, and then click on this delete option, and the section will be removed from the page. Next, I will simply replace all these dummy content and fill it with my own content. For now, I will use ChatGPT to create content for this page. I've also designed this banner using a tool called Canva. Canva contains dozens of pre-made templates that we can use to design anything. This is the most easy-to-use design software, and I highly recommend this tool for making your store banners, slideshows, and much more. You can even create your store logo using this tool. Alright, now I will come back to the Replo editor. Here, I will select this section, and then I will add the banner in the background. Next, I will quickly replace this content with the ones that I created using ChatGPT. Next, I will quickly highlight the product features in this section. Next, I want to add my product images here. So, I will simply select one image from the gallery and then insert it here. Next, on the right side of the image, you'll see this dummy content. I will delete some of these sections for now. Now let's say that you want to add some text on this part. To do that, go to this component option. Here, when you hover over these options, you'll find these elements. You only need to drag these elements and drop it wherever you want to add them on this page. And then simply change the content from the settings. I will also insert this bullet list here and then highlight my product features here. Alright,